Alright, Staxx and Packz ripping half case of Luminance Football 2020 random team style. Good luck. Box 1. We got 4 packs a box, 1 auto. Alright, here we go. Let's hit some big cards. Brady and the Bucks. Who got the Bucks, by the way? Michael S. Michael S has the Buccaneers. Alright, box 1. Good luck. I'm shipping all cards out of this. I think the cards are pretty sweet. I'm just going to go ahead and ship them all. The base even look nice too. Alright, here we go. Box 1. Travis Kelce. Cards are very nice. Luminance, Cooper Kupp. 77 out of 100. Packers, Aaron Rodgers. 77 of 100. Flash insert. Green Bay Packers are Michael S. with the Rodgers. Nice. DK Metcalf out of 299. Henry Ruggs on card. Crimson Tide year 1 blue auto. That's going to go to the Raiders spot. The Vegas Raiders. Nice. Henry Ruggs. Cody Short. On card. Henry Ruggs. Julio, Dynamic. Bowden, rookie. AJ Epinesa, Bills rookie. Brian Edwards, Raiders. Kamara, Chubb. TJ Watt, JJ Watt. Jake Fromm out of 250. Rookie to the Bills. And Malik Harrison. Numbered out of 100. Rookie auto of Malik Harrison. He is one guy that I don't know where he went. He's a Buckeye. Oh, it says on the back. Nice. Ravens. Oh, sweet. Even on the front. Nice, son. I don't have to look the guys up that I don't know. The Ravens with a hit. John B. That's awesome. I was expecting to have to learn the rookies again, but they have the teams on there. Michael Strahan, vintage. Giants hit. We got a CD Lamb rookie, Cowboys. Colin Johnson, he's the other Jag I was trying to think of. Colin Johnson. Isaiah Simmons. Sam Darnold. Terry McLaurin. Jared Goff. Marquise Brown. Blue, Melvin Gordon. 42 of 99 to the Chargers. Melvin Gordon out of 99. Jake Fromm, Bills to 199. Buffalo Bills with the quarterback auto of Jake Fromm. That's Morgan. Light Speed of Derrick Henry. That's a cool card. Tennessee Titans, Light Speed of D. Henry. King Henry, Light Speed. CJ Henderson. Keyshawn Vaughn. Sean Watson. Jimmy G. Parker. McCaffrey. We got a blue Ross Blacklock to 99. He is on the Texans. And relic is Nick Bosa to the 49ers. 49ers jersey relic of Nick Bosa. Player worn used. Lights out, Terry Bradshaw, Steelers. Colby Parkinson, Cole Kmet, Bear Down, and LaMichael Pirine, Jets. That's box 1. So we got a Henry Ruggs. Henry Ruggs on card. Got the Jake Fromm, Malik Harrison, and a Bosa relic. Alright, box 2. Good luck. I'm thinking of putting up a little mixer, maybe like 2 Chronicles Collegiate and 2 Luminance. If anybody's interested after this. AJ Green, Gardner Minshew, Kenyon Drake, Adam Thielen, Jimmy G to 99 to the 49ers, and Albert Wuknabaum, 32 of 50, the Denver Broncos. Nice. Broncos are Mr. Mike P. And we have a light speed of Jerry Rice to the Niners. Benny LeMay. A.J. Dillon, Jonathan Taylor, A.J. Brown, Melvin Gordon, Calvin Ridley, Gilmore, and numbered out of 250, LaMichael Pirine, going to the Jets. Debo, another 49er relic. Debo with his broke foot. Debo Samuel with his broken foot relic. And Aaron Donald, lights out, Rams. Malcolm Perry, Dolphins rookie. Jeff Gladney, Vikings. Some of them are hard to read when you're looking at them. Oh, no way, dude. 1 of 1, Joe Namath to the Jets. Lights out. 1 of mother effing 1. We are on a 101 heater, baby. Mike P. Joe Namath, 1 of 1. Let's go, son. Joe Namath, 1 of 1 to Mike P. to the Jet spot. Boom. Another 101 on. There's a redemption in here. Staxx and Packz pulling 101s, baby. We are going to go ahead and put that in a mag for Mike. We had a Khalil Mack 101 last night. We had a rookie auto 1 of 1 last night of Toro from the Stros. And now we have a Joe Namath 1 of 1 to the Jets for Mike P. That's awesome, dude. Go ahead and put Mr. Joe Namath 1 of 1 back here. Carson Wentz to 299. We do have a redemption. I'll put that here for now. We got a Julio Jones, Julio, Nathan Rourke, Anthony Gordon, Tua. There's a Tua rookie for Homer. Devontae Adams, Mahomes, Raheem Mostart. There he is, Tom Brady and his Bucks. Yeah, buddy. Brady in the Bucks uni. Michael S. Brady base card, baby. And the Tua. Next up, we have a A.J. Dillon to 99. Clavon Christen, linebacker auto to 50 to the Jags. To the guy who was whining about having them. Tyler Bean. Then we have a Saquon Barkley, dynamic. J.K. Dobbins rookie, Kelly Bryant, and Jalen Reagor. We have a redemption card. Good luck. We have a redemption in box 2. Year 1 signature RPS card number 30, Tyler Johnson, the Bucks. That's the Bucks, I'm pretty sure. Tyler Johnson redemption to the Buccaneers. Box 3. Good luck. You've already got, I don't even know. You have a stack of Jags cards though, I know that for sure. Alright, we are on box 3. Good luck, box 3. DeAndre Hopkins, Cardinals uniform, D-Hop. Bosa, Seki, DJ Moore, Kenny Galladay out of 99, Lions. And to the guy that was whining, Cleveland Browns, Grant Delpit out of 50. The guy that was whining about getting the Browns and the Jags. Then we have a Justin Herbert, dynamic insert rookie. That's cool. That'll go to the Chargers. Yvonne Leak, Henry Ruggs, Malik Harrison, Tremaine Edmonds, Daniel Jones, Dak, Wilson, Brian Edwards out of 250, rookie, and a Miles Sanders jersey relic to the Philadelphia Eagles. That's Chris Hopkins. And a vintage Marshall Faulk to the Rams. That's nice. Justin Herbert. KJ Hill, rookie. Terrell Lewis, Van Jefferson, Jamal Adams, Drew Lock, Jameis Winston, and numbered out of 100, we have Roger Staubach, vintage orange to the Dallas Cowboys. Dallas Cowboys. That is Nathan Ball, Staubach out of 100. Shaquille Barrett out of 299. Ooh, is this an auto? Nice. CD Lamb on card blue. Cowboys again. Nate Ball. CD Lamb, year 1. Dallas Cowboys. Sweet. We've got the wide receivers. We got the Ruggs and Lamb so far, both on card. Nice. 101, Joe Namath. Lightspeed, Michael Thomas, Saints. Jake Fromm, Devin Duvernay, Jordan Brooks, Jacoby Brissett, George Kittle, Fitz, Curtis Samuel, and number to 75, Ross Blacklock, Texans. Xavier McKinney, and that one's for the Patriots. Lights out, Patriots, Brady. Xavier McKinney, Giants rookie auto. That is numbered out of 100, 81 of 100. New York Giants. Carlos. Go Carlos. Tom Brady to the Pat spot. Brian Browns, lights out Brady. Nate Stanley rookie, Charlie Warner, and Hunter Bryant. That's halfway point right there. All right, box 4. Good luck. Sean said they're going for over 30, I think, right? Just the base. We pulled one earlier. Okay, box 4. Good luck. Alright, we have Tyreek Hill, Todd Gurley, Miles Sanders, Kenny Golladay, Devin Duvernay to 250. And to the guy who was whining about the Jags out of 100, Jake Luton, rookie auto, Jaguars, quarterback. We have a Taysom Hill, dynamic. Isaiah Hodgkins, Darrell Stewart Jr., James Morgan rookie, Michael Thomas, Baker, Big Ben, Zadarius Smith, Aaron Rodgers to 299, Packers, James Morgan, 36 of 50 to the New York Jets, James Morgan rookie auto. Going to Mike P. A vintage Howie Long, Cam Akers rookie, Jerry Jeudy, Gabe Davis, Aaron Rodgers, Haskins, Rivers, Ingram, and Brian Edwards out of 99. And to the Steelers, Devin Bush, 2 of 49. Patch. Steelers spot. Steelers are Woodbeck. Numbered out of 49, Bush. Lights Out, Champ Bailey. Brian Heron. Christian Fulton. Whoopnabomb. Carson Wentz. DJ Moore. Le'Veon Bell. DeMarcus Lawrence. Here's a Hunter Bryant to 250. And Isaiah Simmons. Cardinals to 299. Arizona Cardinals with the auto. That's Josh K. Hunter Bryant to 250. Steve Young vintage. That's cool. Xavier McKinney, Jacob Knipp, and Zach Bond. No Burrow, no I haven't seen Chase Young or Burrow. Not yet. All right, box 5. Good luck. We're on box 5 of the half case random teams of the Luminance 2020. Good luck. Yeah, I haven't seen Swift either. No Swifties yet. Alright, good luck. Box 5. Calvin Ridley. Gilmore. Green. Numbered out of 100. 1 of 100. Stephon Gilmore to the Patriots. Out of 299, Kelsey. And a red on card year 1, Jonathan Taylor. Red Wisconsin Badgers auto. Trying to see if I can find real quick what red is. The ink is supposed to give you an idea of how many were signed in that color. Red. Damn it, I can't find it. I have no idea. I'll find it later, but that's cool. Going to the Colts on that one. That's Chris Hopkins. Lightspeed, Hester, bear down. Out of 250, Yvonne Leak to the Giants. And Clyde Edwards-Helaire to 299. His stuff is crazy. Running back rookie to the Chiefs. Kansas City Chiefs spot. Homer. Out of 299. Nice. Lights out. Kelsey to the Chiefs. Then we have a Jeff Okudah to the Lions. Xavier McKinney. Jacob Knipp. Mahomes. Raheem Mostert. Another Brady. You got 2 base Bradys. I think you're already in the green. Already in the green off 2 base cards, right? The Buccaneers with the second base Tom Brady, Michael S. And Chubb, Flash, and a Denzel Mims to the New York Jets, rookie auto. He is numbered out of 299. Jets. Herbert. Green, Raekwon Davis, Dolphins out of 75. And a jersey relic of A.J. Brown to the Tennessee Titans. A.J. Brown, Tennessee Titans. Jersey. Raekwon. Out of 75. Aaron Rodgers, or Justin Herbert again. Dynamic. I think that's the second one of those. Jonathan Taylor, red. Nice. One more box to go. Good luck. Last box. All right, here we go. Box 6. All right, good luck. Box 6. Cameron Dintzler to 25. That is Vikings. Roquan Smith to 299. And another CD Lamb. This one is a sticker numbered out of 50. 7 of 50. Cowboys again. Dallas Cowboys. 2 CD Lamb. 1 on card. This one's numbered to 50. Ball. Nathan Ball. Nice. Vintage Marshall Faulk to the Rams. Tyler Huntley, Ravens. Pittman, Colts. Tyler Johnson, Bucks. Out of 50, orange, DJ Dallas to the Seahawks, 24 of 50. And Chase Claypool, rookie auto to the Steelers. That one is out of 299. Mr. Chase Claypool to the Steelers, Nate Woodbeck. We have a light speed of Michael Thomas again. DJ Dallas, Eno. T. Higgins. First Higgins I've seen. I have not seen one Burrow. Dak to 99. Another Cowboys hit. I haven't seen Burrow or Chase Young. To the Giants. Austin Mack out of 299. New York Giants rookie auto of Austin Mack. And another lights out Tom Brady. It's the second one of those to the Patriots. Second lights out Tom Brady. Ayuk, Bryce Hall, Kenneth Murray, Van Jefferson at 250, Juju, not numbered, Steelers patch again, Steelers flash, there's the first one, Joe Burrow rookie to the Bengals, Brian Browns, and there's our Swift rookie to the Lions, and then Montez, and that's it. I will do a recap in a second here. Wow, that's crazy. Only one Burrow card out of 6 boxes. Not one Chase Young either. Let me get some more top loaders real quick. Alright, so we had the Joe Burrow rookie. Recap real quick. Lights Out Brady, Austin Mack to 299, Dak to 99, Claypool to 299 auto, CeeDee Lamb to 50, Herbert, Raekwon to 75, Mims to 299, Brady, Bucks uniform, Clyde Edwards-Helaire to 299, Isaiah Simmons to 299, James Morgan out of 50, Jake Luton, rookie auto out of 100, Lights Out Brady, Xavier McKinney to 100, Staubach out of 100, Herbert, Grant Delpit number to 50, redemption of Tyler Johnson, Tua rookie, only one Tua, Tom Brady, Clavon Chasen to 50, Albert O out of 50, Jake Fromm out of 199, Gordon to 99, Aaron Rodgers out of 100, Malik Harrison out of 100. We had Juju, Brown, Bush to 49, Sanders, Debo, and Bosa for the relics. Henry Ruggs on card year 1. Rookie auto blue. CeeDee Lamb on card year 1. Rookie auto to the Cowboys. Jonathan Taylor on card year 1. Red to the Colts. And to the Jets, 1 of 1 Lights Out Joe Namath. And that is the break for the half case Luminance 2020. Thank you for filling that.